It's a really good school. It has a strong sense of community. It has a lot of good programs like
asking me should I come to McKinley, and then I was like, yeah, like it has everything in it. It's like amazing. You could pick from anything since
There's a place nestled in the heart of Brooklyn where secrets lie and excellence thrives.
Welcome to William McKinley IS 259, where the McKinley Experience awaits those brave enough to uncover its secrets.
McKinley is not your ordinary middle school. It's a world of endless possibilities, a hub of academic brilliance, artistic expression, and athletic prowess.
The amount of opportunities that you have in these clubs. Like, you can go to, let's say, chess club. I was in last year.
But what is it that sets McKinley apart from the rest? What is the secret to its unrivaled excellence?
Our investigation begins with the voices of those who hold the key to this mysterious McKinley experience.
We've gained access to the individuals who set up this remarkable institution. Let's go.
It's time to begin exploring.
With our teachers, students, and admin.
And it all starts in these very halls.
Shall we unlock the secrets hidden behind these very doors? Ms. Geary, thank you for letting us be a part of this wonderful institution.
You are most welcome.
Are the rumors true?
What rumors?
Are you the pride of Bay Ridge?
We are the pride of Bay Ridge. Why do you think that is? You know why? I'll tell you why. Because we offer everything for our kids. Some schools, they offer great education. Maybe they have an after-school program here or two. We offer everything that you could imagine. Do you want tennis? We have tennis. Do you want algebra? We have algebra. Do you want U.S. history regions? We have that. Do you know what we're also going to have? Do you know what we're having next? Ping pong.
Ping pong?
What school has ping pong? I know. So you have great academics, great after-school programs, and I'm just going to tell you this. Yesterday, we won the Brooklyn Borough Championship for boys varsity soccer. We are the pride of Bay Ridge.
Wow, what an incredible team working hard behind these doors.
But is what Ms. Geary said really true?
Is a well-rounded education really thriving within these small halls?
It's time to unravel the mystery.
Let's go.
Well, my favorite subject is math because it's very fun and simple, and it's very taught well by the teachers at McKinley.
I like my classes. They're really fun, but they're also challenging and they make me think a lot.
I love the teachers at McKinley because they're always willing to lend a helping hand to the students. I really like social studies because it's like a greater way to learn about the world and past events.
My favorite subject is ELA and social studies. I like the creative part, how I can discuss with my peers different ways that we can come to conclusions.
At McKinley, we believe that education goes beyond textbooks and classrooms. It's about empowering our students to flourish and providing them with the support they need to succeed. We work hard here to create a place where our students can explore their passions, unleash their creativity, and develop skills that will last a lifetime.
Something I love about McKinley is definitely the lunch because instead of like sitting in the cafeteria all day, we also get to go out on a plaza and eat outside. We also get to sit with like other people from different classes. Like we're not always just sitting with the same class in the lunchroom, so we could talk to like different friends and stuff.
I really like how you can go to the library for lunch because it's just a nice place to relax and you can do any of your work and you can just kind of like be by yourself there.
Wow, for core classes, I'm already impressed. But I've heard this school offers so much more than that.
I'm in 716, the WIM class.
In addition to the core curriculum, we are so excited to introduce the Independent Investigations Method, or as we call it, IIM, as one of our Regents Track school screened middle school programs. This innovative approach to learning empowers students to explore their interests and conduct independent research projects. We focus on developing their critical thinking skills to prepare for a world so dependent on research and analysis.
I'm interested in expanding the lifespan of a human with stem cells.
A couple different things, but I'm mostly looking at like ethics and laws as it relates to embryonic stem cells.
Another exciting opportunity for our screened students entering 6th grade is the newly revamped 3-year Virtual Enterprises Junior Ventures program, also part of our Regents Tract curriculum. This program focuses on developing technology and entrepreneurial skills by allowing students to start and manage their own business ventures. By 8th grade, our students are participating and winning, because we are the pride of Bay Ridge, various national competitions.
From the sounds of the orchestra to the brushstrokes of the painters, McKinley students shine in their artistic endeavors, showcasing their talents for all to see.
At McKinley, we recognize the importance of a well-rounded education. That's why we offer a large visual and performing arts program, which includes disciplines such as visual arts, chorus, keyboard, theater, drama, strings, marching band, and band orchestra. Wow! Even if these programs are not part of a student's everyday schedule, we provide opportunities to participate in them through our after-school offerings.
The McKinley journey extends beyond the typical school day. After the school day ends, the learning continues. McKinley offers a wide range of after-school programs, providing academic support and opportunities for physical and mental fitness.
My favorite part about McKinley is probably the extracurriculars. I like how we have so many opportunities here.
A lot of clubs that you could do that are very interesting, and I'm part of one of them, which is called the Strategy Club.
I like how me and my volleyball team were very nice and welcoming to other people that maybe could get in the team later on. And we really are a nice, very cheering team. Whether we're losing or we're winning, we know how to support each other either way.
We strive to create a seamless educational experience that extends beyond the traditional school day. Our robust after-school programs offer a wide range of opportunities, from homework assistance to culinary arts, ensuring that all our students have access to a holistic and enriching education.
Basketball program, and I've been a part of the chess program. I've also been a part of the participatory budgeting program. Little like business pitch or like something we want to change about the school to make it better, and then we all talk to the principal, and if she agrees with our plan, we have a limited budget.
One of my favorite parts of McKinley are the various trips we get to go on. Each trip provides an educational adventure, whether it's going to the museum or to the cemetery.
As we unraveled the secrets of excellence at McKinley IS 259, we have realized that there is just not one thing that makes the school great.
It's not just the outstanding academics or the vibrant arts programs.
It is not just the dedicated teachers or the supportive administration.
It's not just the engaged students or the involved parents.
And it's not just the thriving community of Bay Ridge.
It is a combination of all of those things that coined McKinley the pride of Bay Ridge.
If you're ready for an unforgettable middle school experience where academic excellence, personal growth, and a vibrant community converge, we welcome you to join us at McKinley to unravel the secrets of excellence for yourself and become part of the pride of Bay Ridge.